Can you see the 2? Oh, 3, 4. Oh, wow. Don't you want to come down, Martin?
See how they roll over?
Oh, look at that.
See how they roll over like that?
Yeah, that's awesome.
When they roll over,
Can you see them,
Can we go to the side?
Oh, there's another one over there, too.
So when you see a dolphin roll over, see like that?
Very big.
Oh, yeah?
Grandma, I'm really big.
Hold on, darling. I've got to hold you, okay? Just so you're safe, okay? Watch the dolphins. Don't fight. Look at the dolphins. There's Kiki. Look up, Kiki. Oh, he came out of the water a little bit then. I missed it. Watch him, Keith. Look, here he comes. He's coming up again. Oh, see that? Awesome. They're racing us. They're racing the boat. Can you see him, Kiki? Look down. Look, there he goes. You could almost touch them. There's your shoes. You can see them. They're right near us, aren't they? You can. There's Kira. Oh, hello. Look, isn't he beautiful? No, I've got to hold your arm in case you slip in, darling, okay? The man said you've got to be held. No jumping, Kira, just stand, please. Oh, look.
Did you see that one?
Yeah, he just dropped off for a second there.